Here I have XIAOMI Mi Max 3 and let me show you how to set the lock screen on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down and under System and Device you will find Lock Screen and Password, so just tap on it, and here you should pick Set Screen Lock. Now it's time to pick the kind of screen lock that you would like to have, so it can be either pattern, pin code or the password. So let me pick for example pattern, and okay, I got it. I know that I have to remember my password because otherwise I will not be able to log in. So now you have to draw the pattern that you would like to have. So maybe this one. And finally you have to tap on confirm. You can also add a fingerprint, but I don't want to do it right now. So now, as you can see, this pattern is protecting your phone. So without it, you will not be able to log in. If you would like to change it, for example, for pin code, just go to the settings one more time, select lock screen and password, set screen lock, and here you have to enter the one that you currently have. And now pick change screen lock. And you can select, for example, pin code. You have to enter the pattern one more time. It's kind of confirmation, and now you have to enter the pin code, which must be between 4 or 16 digits long. So let me enter mine. It will be 1379. Okay, you have to confirm it, so you have to type it one more time. And now this brand new pin code is protecting XIAOMI. So let's open it. You have to enter this pin code to enable your phone. And then if you would like to turn off, if you would like to switch off your lock screen, just go to the settings, select the same, so lock screen and password, and go to set screen lock, obviously. And here just enter the one that you currently have, tap on next, and here just pick turn off lock. So just tap on here. You won't be able to unlock the device using your fingerprint after you turn off the password. Okay, thank you for a notification, and that's it. Now your device can be simply activated just by swiping. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.